you can see that after just a visit now, it's like the same masjid and it still looks beautiful in there. The Sheraton you should visit if you're in Qatar. Afraid of heights? It's really, at least it looks like it's really big. It's big. Arabian Gulf, plenty of waters, but east, as you can see, that there is a beautiful peninsula. Half it is connected around. It's a beautiful coast here. As you can see, when you are in the boat, with the staggering view, and when you are in Qatar, you should actually go in. So guys, you will see. Very comfortable to snap a ship. It's really cool but decorated. So guys, many people come here on weekends. Weekend is the best time because there's no tension or worries and the boat is comfy enough to make you sit in your seat and you'll sink in it. It's really good. So guys, there is the 974 stadium. I hope you can see it properly. But there is the Sheraton Hotel and lots of many other places. Sheraton Hotel looks at from up close. And Banana Island. I hope you can see it or not, but it's very far from here. But the Maldives of Qatar is always really good. There is the terminal of it over there. Like a little forget that the Museum of Islamic Art, that's where the terminal is located. And that's the FIFA World Cup mascot, not the Eid. Again, it's just the Arabic version of the World Cup. So guys, I like this board. It's really cultural and now that they've added lots of designs and urban, it still feels very classy and bold. As I told you before, it's Corniche with lots of monuments and Corniche. Lots of monuments have shown up, like the Islamic Museum of Art, the FIFA mascot, and Masjid Fanar. I hope you can see it properly. It's right over there, and still it looks like the same masjid. It's an institution if you want to join it, and the National Museum of Qatar is also here in my park. I hope you can see it. It's right over there, and lots of other parks. With the park over there. We'll talk about it later on. I will show you with the park later in the future. So guys, right now this experience is a 10 out of 10. The views are staggering, and if you have a choice, go in it. So guys, we are about to reach the island. So that's the FIFA World Cup mascot. It's great. I hope you guys like the World Cup 2022. It's built on this nice mini artificial island. All the looks really, natural, and it looks like it wasn't made by man. I hope you can see 974, but it's right over there, and it looks pretty cool from here, If you can see, ships are cruising over there also, and that's the electricity area over there. from there comes a banana boat island boats that are reserved to go that direction. There is the Maldives of Qatar. Hamad Airport is that direction if you are familiar to Qatar. Now, if you come south, it's all the beauty of the Corniche sailboat. It's not a big map. It's a really good experience. It's done the views and the best. And it shows you lots of views of Doha, Corniche. Actually, maybe more. Things come to an end. As I was telling you, the airport is there. As you can see, the ground is empty. But it's dark, so you can see the mountains. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe as I'll make more content like this in the future and make it bigger and as you like it. So guys, to end off this beautiful video, take a look at the skyline and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned till the next video. See you guys in the next video. Be ready for it and be tuned.